to talk about is Pluto in your 7th house. Now, Pluto is basically the planet of death, rebirth, and destruction. Pluto is the planet that rules over Scorpio. The 7th house is the house of relationships and marriages and partnerships. Now, when Pluto, the planet of death and destruction and rebirth, enters the 7th house, it basically means that you might have some bad luck in terms of your relationships and your partners throughout life. You could be attracted to very, very manipulative, very destructive partners, and also partners who try and mess with your mind, and they try and manipulate you and your emotions. This could cause you to form a little bit of a negative approach or a negative viewpoint about relationships because you've most likely been exposed to a lot of negative people in the relationships that you've been in. With this aspect, what it does also basically mean is that in your life you will meet a person who is going to change your entire life. Because Pluto represents death and rebirth, and because Pluto is in the 7th house, it basically means that you're going to have to let go of the things you know when you meet this person. You're going to have to let go of the things you're comfortable with and the things that are part of you. And you're going to have to release it in order for you to be reborn again. So whoever this person is that you will meet one day is going to literally make you a whole new person. They are going to destroy the old you, and they are going to rebirth you into this beautiful, amazing new person with these amazing strengths and these amazing capabilities. But only once you've found the partner that is able to do that, that is really able to help break down the old you with all your negative habits and your negative traits that you've had, and help shape a more positive person, that is when you are with the right person. When you are with people who continuously break you down and who continuously let you go through drama and chaos and struggles, and they don't help create and build a better version of you, then you are with the wrong people. And you need to make sure that you find the right person who's going to help you be the best version of yourself that you can possibly be. You will end up finding yourself in a relationship. So your inner search and your inner journey you're going through in terms of trying to understand yourself and trying to understand your universe, that will come to you through another person. Another person is going to teach a lot to you, and they're going to help you come to these realizations at some point in your life.